Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Purport. In human society all over the world, there are millions and billions of men and women, and almost all of them are less intelligent because they have very little knowledge of spirit soul.
This is our challenge. That there are millions and trillions and men and women all over the world, but they are not at all intelligent. This is our challenge. So, the Krishna consciousness movement may be taken by others as crazy, or we challenge that you are all crazy. And therefore we have got a little book, who is crazy? But they are thinking that these 700 boys and girls are crazy. But actually they are crazy, because they have no intelligence. Why? May they not know what is spirit soul. This is the animal consciousness. Dogs, cats, they think that the body, they are the body. Yashatma buddhi kunapeti dhatuke sadhik kalatra visubhoma ijjadhi jat tirtha buddhi shalile na karhichi janeshu avijneshu saiva gokara. Gokara. Go means cow and kara means ass. A person who is bodily conscious, I am this body. So 99.9% of the whole population of the world, they are like this. I am this body. I am American. I am Indian. I am African. I am this. And they are fighting, just like cats and dogs. They fight. I am cat. You are dog. You are dog. I am cat. So this challenge that you are all rascals, it is a very strong one, but actually that is the fact. That is the fact. It is a revolutionary movement. We are challenging everyone that you are all set up asses and cows and animals, because we have no knowledge beyond this body. Therefore it is said in this purport I have specially meant, because they have little knowledge of spirit soul, all of them are not intelligent. I have spoken with big professors in Moscow. The gentleman, Professor Kotovsky, he said, Swamiji, after death there is nothing, everything is finished. And he is one of the big professors in the country. So, this is the defect of modern civilization, that the whole society is being governed by cats and dogs, actually. So how there can be any peace and prosperity? It is not possible. Andha yathandhai rupaniyamana, blind man leading other blind men. If one has eyes to see, he can lead hundreds and thousands of men. Please come along with me, I shall cross the whole road. But if the man leading, he is himself blind, how he can lead others? Andha yathandhai rupaniyamana. The Bhagavad, there is no comparison. There cannot be. This transcendental science. Andha yathandhai rupaniyamana. Tepi satantra urudam nivadhya. Isatantra. These blind leaders, they are bound up by the laws of material nature, and they are giving advice. What advice they can give?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.